In this video, I'm going to go over the Super Mario Brothers Wonder for the Switch, or basically what I got it for is the Switch 2 here. If you're like me and you just love your Mario games, say it's like the Super Mario All-Stars right here. I have my Nintendo, my Wii, so naturally I had a Switch, but then I didn't really like the Switch, but I love the Switch 2. So I used the Switch 2 mostly in the console mode, and one of the games that I got right from the start was the Super Mario Wonder. This is one of the most fun games I've had on the system, and I recommend this to anyone that just is a Mario fan and they just want to have like a good solid game that you could play for hours. I definitely love my Battlefields and my Call of Duties, but I always like going back and just playing the original Marios. And I'm a big fan of the 2D Marios. This by far is one of the best 2D Marios ever to be made on any system. They just nailed it, everybody. And you can get Switch 2 upgrades on this thing. There's several upgrades that can be done for this, but I'm using it just as the original Switch. And it's 1 to 4 players. So the fact that you have multiplayers, you can play with your kids. I never would have thought we would have a system like this. And when it's in dock mode, it looks so good on the, like a big screen TV, that's one of the reasons this game right here is one of the reasons I've got a Switch 2. Because of how smoothly this plays in dock mode. The Switch 1 didn't play as smooth, so if you haven't upgraded to a Switch 2, just the fact of doing that, and I can play retro style games on all the expansion packs. If you haven't got this for your Switch or Switch 2, I recommend getting it today. No matter which model you have, this is the game to have. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Super Mario Brothers Wonder and Switch 2. See you on the next video.